Yellow, tiny, sweet, but sour amigurumi lemon starts. Let's knit together. Look, I prepared one like this. Komi. Oh, now let's knit together. Yes, we will start with the magic ring. I start with 2 points and 2 miles in my T number. I'm making a magic ring like this. I make 6 frequent injections into my magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meiji 6. I'm joining my ring. Again, from the first, I'm going to do 6 frequent injections. I'm united. I did a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I come to my third place. All in the third row. I will double sync all my loops. I'm starting to increase my count here. Here the count will rise to 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Nini, on, erro, 11, 12. So later, I'm coming to my fourth place in the fourth row. 12 frequent needles. Straight. I will weave a row without increasing and decreasing. Yes, now I'm coming to my other turn. Next time, it's my 5th place. 5th place. I'm doing 1 alone. Let me determine my place again like this. I'm making a couple. 1, single. 1. Couple it the same way. I continue until the end of my turn. I'm coming to my other turn. In the other row. This time I will make 2 souls. And I'll make a couple. This is how I increase. I will continue. I did my second one. I'm making a couple. I continue the same way until the end of my turn. And at the end of my turn, I will have 24 frequent needles. Yes, I'm coming. 7th place. I continue to increase in the 7th place. Here, I will make 3 single, and I will make a plus. I will continue this until the end of my turn. My second single. My third single. And couple. Like I said, I continue until the end of my turn. 3 single, 1 pair. At the end of my turn, I will have 30 problems in total. I'm coming to my 8th place. I continue to increase in the 8th place. 4, 1, 1. I'm making a couple. 2, 3. I made 4 single. I'm making a couple. This is I will continue until the end of my turn. And at the end of my turn in total, I will have 36 skins. Yes, I'm coming 9th. From 9th to 18th place. 36 frequent, so I'll keep knitting straight for 10 rows. But you guys are bigger. So if you want to, so you can increase your increase numbers more. So now I'm in 9th place, 36 until the 18th row. I will often knit my needles straight without increasing and decreasing up to 18th place. I continued my 36 frequent needles straight along 10 rounds. Now I'm coming to my 19th. I start my reductions in 19th place. I will make for single. I will reduce 1. I made 3, 4 from the front loops, like taking like this. I am reducing. Then I knit 4 again. Icky. 3, 4 later. I'm reducing 1 until the end of my turn. I will continue like this. And at the end of my turn, I will have 30 problems. Yes, I'm coming to my 20th. Now, imeji determine my place here. 2, 3. I do it alone. 1. I'm reducing. I will complete this order this way. Reduce 3 to 1. And at the end of my turn, I will have 24 frequent needles. Yes, 20. I'm coming to my first place. Also, 20 in the first row, I made 2 single ones. I make 2 single 1. I'm reducing. Same goes for the end of my line. I will continue to single, reduce 1, and at the end of my turn, I will have 80 frequent needles, and 18 frequent needles. I'm going to knit my frequent needle a row straight. Then I will fill it with fiber. 18 in 22nd place. I often knit the needle straight. Now I'm coming to my 23rd row. In my 23rd place, I will continue my reductions. Only 1 ear. 1. I will reduce. Same goes for the end of my line. I will continue 1 single 1. Reduce, and at the end of my turn, I will have 12 frequent needles. After making a single cut, I'm coming to my last row now. Here is the whole loop in the last row, reducing my loops. I will complete this order this way. So, in total, I will make 6 reductions. And my 6 frequent needles will stay here. I made 6 reductions. Now, I put my needle like this. From here, from the front loops, this way, by passing my rope and my 6 squeezing needles here, I'll be closed. I'm going through the outside landings like this. Fifth. This is the 6th. This is how I squeeze. And then through the middle, take it out from anywhere. I'm closing it like this. Do this later. Iwo hide. Now I'm switching to green rope. I will make a small leaf on it. With my green rope first. I pull 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I took 7. I give 1 injection to the 6th one next to him. I take the duo and trabzon and shoot them all again. Doi single trabzon. Sorry, I'm doing single trabzon. I took the top and pulled them all. I made a single trabzon. I'm doing double trabzon. I took 2, 2 and took it on. Aging. I took 2, 2 and here is the last one left. To my trabzon, my chain. First, by this, I'm doing 3 the same chain. I made 3 double trabzon in it. Then I come back like this, and I continue. So, in total, 5 in the same loop. I made a double trabzon. Then, in the corresponding, the other side of the chain. First 2, double trabzon, then 2. I'm doing single trabzon. I shoot all. 2 single trabs on and 1 for the last, with stitches shifting to the first place I did by making frequent needles. Combined in this way. Cutting my rope. You can sew if you wish. You can also paste it with silicone if you wish. Here, now. I'll paste it like this. This way, I glued the leaf. And I finished making the lemons. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Goodbye. Yellow, tiny